In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the copyright information in your Shopify store. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process, ensuring every detail is clear and manageable. First, access the theme editor through your Shopify admin dashboard. Begin by navigating to the online store section. Once there, you'll see Themes. That's your gateway to personalizing your store's design. Find the theme you currently have active or wish to edit. Direct your attention to the Actions button, and then select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic begins, giving you direct access to your store's underlying code. Now that you're in the code editor, it's time to locate the file responsible for your store's footer. The list of files might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but we're focusing on a specific section. Look for the Sections folder and click on it to reveal its contents. Here you'll find the Footer Liquid file. Open it to start your customization journey. Inside the Footer Liquid file, you'll need to find the Copyright section. To make this easier, use the search function by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on a Mac. Type Copyright into the search bar, and you'll swiftly be directed to the relevant part of the code. This feature is a time saver, especially in templates with lengthy code. When you land on the copyright code, you'll likely see a snippet resembling something like this. See now. Date. %y. Shop.name. Link to roots.root/URL. This code dynamically updates the current year and includes your shop's name. Now it's time to personalize it. You can adjust the year, add text such as all rights reserved, or even change other elements to better reflect your brand's tone. For instance, you might revise it to say C 2023 to 2025, your store name. All rights reserved. Take a moment to ensure everything is accurate and aligns with your brand message. After you've made your modifications, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top right corner of the code editor and click it. This action finalizes your updates, committing your new copyright information to your store's footer. With changes saved, the next step is to confirm your edits were successful. Head back to your Shopify store and refresh the page. Take a glance at the footer to see the updated copyright text accurately reflected there. Now, a couple of additional tips to consider. If you'd like to remove the Powered by Shopify link that's often nearby, you can find that code within the same footer.liquid file. Carefully remove or alter this segment as desired. Also, do note that the exact arrangement of the code might vary slightly depending on your Shopify theme. If at any point you feel uncomfortable with these adjustments, don't hesitate to reach out to a Shopify expert for professional assistance. Your store's look and feel are in your hands, and these steps bring you closer to having a perfectly tailored online presence.